Today, we're going to tell you how to post nursing jobs on Glowner. Glowner is a nursing platform which connects hospitals and healthcare services with nurses. Hence, posting a job with Glowner will help hospitals and recruiters find top talented nurses quickly. This is best done when you're using your laptop or desktop computer. Please note that special characters like equal to, comma, hashtag, double quotes, etc. are not allowed in any field. Once you're logged in, go to Post a Job tab to post your job. Now, you must understand that to attract talent and good nurses, your job post must be clear and giving good amount of details. The quality of applications depends upon the details of the job post. Now, fill the job title. For example, the designation you're recruiting, like staff nurse, nursing manager, etc. Then, select the nursing education you require. You can select multiple or all, like BS Nursing, MS Nursing, and so on. In the specialization type, choose between general nursing and specialized nursing. Specialized nursing must be chosen if you need a nurse who has high level of experience in a particular field. For example, ICU, cardiac, neonatal, perioperative, radiology, etc. The advanced specialization field will be active only if you have selected specialized nursing above. Here, you can choose the required specialization. A maximum of 5 specialties can be chosen. If you have selected general nursing, this field need not be filled, or the system will not show the advanced specialization field. Now, from the years of experience, select the experience level you require, like fresher nurse or 5 years of experience based on the skill level your organization requires. In the employment type, select the work offer. Is it part-time, full-time, contract, or any? Here, candidate location is an important field. Select the location from where you want talented nurses to be. For example, you can select India, Egypt, UK, Dubai, or anywhere. You can select maximum 5 countries. Now, select the languages you want your nurses to speak. You can select maximum 5 languages. Now, select the licenses the nurses will require to practice nursing. For example, you can select maximum 5 licenses, and please note that this field is optional and you can skip it if you want. In this field, you can select the language test if it's a requirement. This field is also optional. Joining requirement will let the nurses know how soon you require them to join, like it is immediately or within 30 days, etc. This is a mandatory field. Next is nurses training. Select the trainings the nurses should have or you prefer them to have. Now, this is optional. Select if any additional certification is required. Select from the drop-down, like Clinical Nurse Specialist Certificate, Certified Emergency Nurse, etc. This field is optional and you can skip it if you want. Now, choose the salary range you offer for the employment. This is per month salary and is in USD. Hence, you must convert your local currency to USD before selecting the amount. This is a mandatory field. Now, select if you want to display the salary in job post or not. In the job location field, select the country where the nurses will be required to work. For example, India, Dubai, UK, US, or any other country. Next, choose the state in that country where the nurses will have to work. The city is optional, yet it will be a good practice to give the city name. Now, enter the job details in the description page. Give the details about the job, responsibility, expectation, and information about the hospital or the organization. Maximum word count accepted is 100, and no special characters must be used, such as equal to, comma, etc. The nurses usually decide to apply for job based on the description. A good description makes your advertisement stand out. Now, choose the number of days you want the job post to run. It has 3 plans and the cost is different for each plan. Here, enter the vacancies you have. For example, how many nurses you want to select, 1, 2 or 10. If you wish to be notified about the candidate applications by email, choose the duration in which you want the notification, that is daily, weekly or monthly. Gloner will email a notification of total application count received as per your choice. Your acceptance of website terms and conditions and privacy policy before you continue to payment or posting another job. When you complete entering the job details, click on Proceed to Payment. A summary of your Gloner nursing job post and the payment details will be displayed below. Quickly review the cost and proceed further. If you select Post another job, then the job will be placed in the cart and you can continue filling the new job post. And if you wish to continue the payment, then you will be directed to the cart page. Choose your payment gateway and proceed to payment. Now, enter your payment details and make the payment. Once the payment is completed, your jobs will be posted. Now, you can check the posted job and the response from nurses at My Job. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe the channel.